Hi, to pair your Garmin Vivoactive 5 with PC or laptop, as a first step, you would need to visit this website on your laptop and here just click on this download for Windows. After that, you would see this app installed. So here you would need to tap this plus add a device like that, and now we need to plug in a device. So for that, we will need to take this charging cable which goes in a complect with the device. This magnet part we will need to just simply plug in the watch, and at the end, Type-C, connect to the Type-C port of laptop. Let me just do it quickly. And now it is connected, so we are waiting till it will recognize the device. And yep, here it is. We need to click this button add device, and by the way, you can check the device's serial number here. So click add device, and now we need to synchronize it with Garmin Connect app. For that, you can either create an account or sign in if you already had an account. So I'm gonna sign in. And after that, we need to enter email or password. So let me do it quickly behind the scenes and get back to you. After we signed in, we will need to enter device's nickname. Right here, you can rename it and select different language. Then we can tap the next button and connect to Wi-Fi. So let's tap find networks. And now let me find my network. Here it is. And after that, we will need to enter the password. So let me do it quickly behind the scenes again and get back to you. Then we are clicking on this save blue button like that, and just in a couple of seconds we'll be connected to Wi-Fi. So we can go to the next step. So now we are waiting while it finishes setting up our device. And this is how it looks. So here you can synchronize your device by tapping this sync button. You can see the software version. You can see the status connected. Here you can download music on your watch, for example, manage apps, check Garmin Connect, and check tools and content. Also, you can add new device if you just tap this home icon. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.